The idea behind the summer school is basically to introduce students to some new experiments, to get them to know industry, to train them in additional skills they wouldn't have learned in the normal practical they would do over the first 2 years of their studies. This setup is different in a sense to what we do normally, that we have a prescribed script and set experiments during the academic year, whereas in the summer school the industry brings in some experiments and they want to test something. It's a big difference in a sense that it is not assessed formally. The students will have the chance to do some presentations at the end and show how they analyze the data.
I've never done anything like this course before. It's really good. I've really enjoyed doing it, and it's something completely different to what I've normally done. So it's a new opportunity that I've really enjoyed. In the teaching lab, we're here for maybe 1 day at a time, but this is every day for 4 weeks. So a bit more lengthy, a bit more in depth, more detail.
The students gain a lot from this experience. The most important factor probably is that they can sharpen their communication skills, their interaction with industrial people, interaction with people they haven't really met before or haven't met for a long time before. They have the chance to present the data at the end of each day. They need to analyze those data. And they need to also find out whether the experiment worked the way they wanted it to work and see if there's a different course of action necessary, what they need to do.
We're doing extensive amounts of analysis of different spectroscopic stuff, and also we're getting different views on how we can interpret it. Each week a different company will come in and they'll give you some industrial tasks to carry out, basically to give you a flavour of what the company does.
For us as a university, it's also important because we gain some insight into how industry works nowadays. We can adapt our procedures to train the students in a way that is important to industry later on.